I had this engine rebuilt at a machine shop, and it's got about 100 miles on it, and I drained the oil out of it today, and the oil plug here, there's something wrong with it. It just keeps turning and turning, and it wasn't tight when I took it out. And it's turning kind of stiff coming out, but that might be normal. And I can't tell if it's stripped or not. But it kind of irritates me that it won't tighten up, and it worked perfectly fine when I took it down there to have the engine rebuilt. And I may end up putting another washer on here, I don't know. I may end up wrapping it with electric tape. But an oil pan's $200 for the Chevrolet garage, and it's going to take probably $300 to $400 labor to replace it. And this is the kind of shoddy work that comes out of a lot of garages. And I don't want to put an oversized plug in here because they're nothing but trouble. I just went down to the General Motors garage and bought a new oil plug. If you look at this one, right here where the pin is, it's stripped. There's about 3 threads that are completely gone. And I don't know if it'll show up or not, but look right on the tip of the pin. You'll see a bad spot in the threads. And a little washer here I took off of there. I might be able to use it if I stack 2 or 3 washers on there, but it's just a cheesy repair. And I'm really irritated that the truck was given back to me in this condition when obviously the shop probably stripped that out, or they just threw a different oil pan on. And the replacement part is quite a bit different. The gasket's built into the head of the plug, and the head of the plug is larger, and it's got longer threads with a taper at the tip. And this is typical of some of the repairs that shops give back to you. That they break clips, they do minor damage, and they just hand it back to you and say, it's your problem now. We didn't have nothing to do with it, and wipe their hands of it. The shop that did this is 65 miles away from here, and they wanted me to bring it back and drop it off, and they would look at it. For me to put a hook under it and have the truck hauled 65 miles, and then I have to get back over there and pick it up somehow, it's going to cost me several $100s, and I could have a whole new oil pan put on at the local garage at the Chevrolet dealer for the same amount of money it would cost me to take it back and have this fixed under warranty, just because the shop was careless or reckless. So this is what I have right now, and I don't foresee any problem in there. I looked inside the oil pan, and it appears that the threads are good. If I have any trouble, I'll be back in another clip. Thanks for watching.